Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel TNB Academy. In today's video, we are going to talk about something absolutely essential. If you are implementing ISO 20252 in your research company, and that is document control requirements. This is one of the key pillars of any quality management system, and it ensures that your research process remains consistent, traceable, and audit ready. Let's dive right in. Why document control matters? Well, in market, opinion, and social research, accuracy and transparency are everything. You need to make sure that the right documents are used by the right people and at the right time. Without proper control, you risk using outdated procedures or templates, which can lead to errors, miscommunication, and even compliance issues. ISO 20252 makes sure that doesn't happen. ISO 20252 applies document control to all types of documents related to research quality. That includes standard operating procedures, that is SOPs, project plans and proposals, sampling frameworks, questionnaires and script, data validation and analysis procedures, client reports, and final deliverables. Key document control requirements. Here are the main things ISO 20252 requires for document control. Approval before use. All documents must be reviewed and approved before they are used. This ensures accuracy and relevance. Version control. Each document must have a unique version number or date. This helps track updates and avoid confusion. Access control. Only authorized personnel should be able to edit or approve documents. Others should have read-only access. Availability at point of use. Employees must have access to the latest version of the documents at the time and the place they need them. Obsolete documents. Outdated documents must be clearly marked or removed to avoid accidental use. Retention and archiving. Documents should be retained for a specific period depending on legal or contractual requirements and archived securely. Practical tips for small companies. If you are running a small research company, document control doesn't need to be complicated. Here is how you can do it easily. Use shared devices like Google Drive or OneDrive with version history. Name files clearly like sampling plan v1.2 2025-41. Keep a document register, a simple spreadsheet listing all active documents. Assign one person to manage document control, even if it's a part-time role. So there you have it, the document control requirements of ISO 20252 in a nutshell. It's all about making sure your processes are clear, updated, and used correctly by your team. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with your network. And let me know in the comments, would you like a video on how to create a document register or SOP template? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.